Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this rising wedge pattern and this rejection by the resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. For example, the total number of trades I've shared: 75, and out of 75, 62 were successful, 13 were unsuccessful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can click on the link available here, and it will take you to the trading ideas that I've shared for my members. And I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on the link to verify by your own self. And if you have at least a free account here on the TradingView, then you can click this play button, and it will show you how the price line after entering the buying zone turned bullish and hit the sell targets. That was, by the way, very big pump of CTXC. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this daily time frame, and here we were watching that it is rejected. Bitcoin is rejected by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. We have rejection here, we have a rejection here, and now it is getting rejected once again. And you can see that we have an uptrend line support as well. But before this support, after this rejection, we have this very significant support at $42,000. And I told you, in order to move here, first we need to break out this support. And you can see still price line is not breaking down this support. And previously this $42,000 has been breaking as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a support here, and as a resistance here as well. Therefore, right now, it can again work as a strong support. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this support, then it can test the support of this rising wedge. That will be $39,500 to $40,000. It depends where it comes at the support. If it moves some sideways and hits the support here, that will be approximately $41,000. And if it will be moving this way, that will be approximately $40,000. Now, as I was discussing in my last video, that we are having a hidden bullish divergence on the chart. Yes, it is still there. You can see the stochastic is forming this low, and the next low is formed lower than previous one. And if we watch the price line, it is forming a higher low than previous one. And if we watch a histogram of the MACD as well, then you can see the next histogram is lower than previous one. So there is a double bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence by MACD and also by the stochastic as well. Therefore, there is a probability that we can expect a reversal move from here. Now, if we switch to the smaller time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then price line had a nice bounce here, here, and here as well. Then we can see here it is finding another support to the downside, and we also have a resistance here. So if we will have a recovery rally from here, at least up to this resistance, then it will confirm a down channel. It is quite confirmed, like we have few touch points here, several touch points at the resistance. Then it can, for example, if it will hit the resistance of this channel, that will be approximately $44,800. And as the presence of this bullish divergence is also indicating us that we can expect a reversal move, because we have a hidden bullish divergence on this chart. So at least we can expect a reversal move up to this resistance of the channel. And for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance, then it can hit this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, and that will be approximately at $48,500 if it touches here. It depends where it will touch the resistance of this rising wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.